Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Bioseal Neck Seal. So this is a very unique material. It's very soft and squidgy. It's very odd to touch. But it's basically, if you get that usual sort of latex neck rash, then this just acts as a physical barrier. You pop it on around your neck and then you put your dry suit seal over the top of it, and then it just creates an effective seal. It is incredibly stretchy, so it's not going to feel sort of tight around your neck. It does come in 2 different sizes, but it is never going to feel sort of restricting or hard to get on. So it's also particularly useful if you have like neoprene neck seals that has a small sort of nick in it. A lot of times that can just cause a leak, whereas if the nick sort of takes place over the top of this, then it's going to seal around it and it's going to seal around your neck as well, so you're not going to flood your dry suit. So it's just a really nice way of creating a physical barrier around your neck just to protect your neck from that sort of wear and tear that the latex neck seals tend to do. They tend to dig in and you can get that sort of latex rash against your neck, or to sort of fix a broken neck seal temporarily so that you don't have to sort of skip the dive. This is Bioseal. It is a very unusual material. It's best to wash your latex neck seal away sort of after the dive as well, because there's something in this that does degrade it over time, so it's best to wash them both. It comes in a handy little sort of tub so you can keep it clean. You can of course wash it and dry it between dives. Yeah, a few of my friends have used this. It's definitely a benefit for them because they always get that sort of latex neck rash. It's just very odd to touch. This is a Bioseal Neck Seal.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.